Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we'll be looking at 5 products for TikTok dropshipping. So what we have in front of us is actually a TikTok page that sells multiple winning dropshipping products, okay? For example, check this out. This is our first winning product, by the way. This is an anti-choking device. It's usually meant for kids, but adults can use it too. And you can see how it works. It literally sucks out whatever it is, and they do a 3D diagram to show you that. And I think this is very useful. Not only is this a requirement, but to have in a household, but it can save your life. This is a product that solves a problem. Let's look into it, how you could be selling it, how much they're selling it for, and how you could be doing the exact same thing. By the way, if you wanted to see what TikTok page it is, it's right here. Check it out, they have countless products. Let's get into it. Automatic choking rescue device. Keep in mind, all the prices that you see here are in US dollars. So this is 99 US dollars. They're selling this product for 99 US dollars. Let's check out their website. Looks pretty clean, to be honest. Shows how it works. You know, it sucks out whatever you're choking on. And it has a vacuum seal that pretty much pulls it away from you. And I kind of try to copy their title, and it says contact is protected. So they're definitely dropshipping, and they know there are people out there to try to copy them. So I can't copy anything on this page, which is pretty cool, honestly. So if you have a Shopify store, find out if you can do the same thing. It will really help you from copycats, but really doesn't help you protect it. I can just go ahead and type this in AliExpress. So I was able to find this exact product on AliExpress. So on AliExpress, they're selling it for $51. And on Shopify, the seller is selling for $99. So that's about 50% margins, give or take. You know, if you include the ads, that comes down to 30%. And this product is being sold for $51 and it is sold 200 times. It has 21 reviews. So this product says a lot about itself, and it's $5 for shipping additional. So that 30% margin looks a little more realistic. And I think this product solves a problem. That's why this product is a winning product. If you're wondering how I found all these products, I use Pickstock and DropshipRabbit. If you're interested in these tools, the links for them will be in description below. Here's our second product for TikTok dropshipping. Now you're wondering, this is an influencer page promoting products, and that's exactly how I found it. There's this person who gets free products for promoting it and pretty much making videos on it. So you go ahead and click this Amazon link, and it brings me to this wish list. So in her wish list, I was able to find, where'd it go? I was able to find this ice cream scooper. And honestly, if you ever try to make an ice cream sandwich, you know how hard it is. It's pretty much not easy to scoop out a perfect circular ice cream shape for your ice cream sandwiches. So I was able to find this one, and there's not many out there, especially on Amazon, selling this, which says a lot about the product. So let's go ahead and see if we can find this product on AliExpress. And it's being sold on Amazon for $18. So Amazon usually a little bit cheaper than what it should be. So you could probably sell this for $25, even $29 if you have a good reputable Shopify website. We were able to find it on AliExpress, and here we go. It's being sold for $9.80, whereas you could be selling it for, Amazon is selling it for $18 USD. You could be selling it for $25 on your Shopify website to make sure you have some margins. It's summertime, people are buying ice cream, people are craving ice cream, and this is perfect for ice cream sandwiches. So how does it work? It pretty much have a locking mechanism. You twist it, you turn it, you pull it up, and you have an ice cream shaped sandwich that you can just put it on your cookie, and now you have an ice cream sandwich. So that is for our second winning product. Here's our third winning product. I was able to find this on TikTok. Pretty much it's an electric cleaning brush. I know it doesn't seem like much, but honestly, it helps so much with your hand, especially if you're used to cleaning the dishes. I personally don't like to use the dishwasher, so this would be perfect for me and my family. So if you're the same person where you don't like to use your hands too much, perfect. Save yourself some energy and get an electric cleaning brush for dishes. Let's find this on AliExpress and see how much you could be selling it for on your own Shopify dropshipping store. Same quality of brush is being sold on Amazon for $17.99. It ranges all the way to $45. So obviously it depends on the quality of the product. It goes from $30. The lowest I see here is about $18 with $3 coupon, so that brings it down to $15. Let me show you exactly how much I found this on AliExpress. You'll be shocked. On AliExpress, it's $5.39 US dollars and free shipping. 100% margins. So that's for our third winning product. Let me show you the fourth one, and this one is also a kitchen product. you're gonna like this one. Here's our fourth winning product. As you can see, it's very simple. Every household most likely has this, but mine, when I go to clean it, it's such a drag to pull it out, and it's kind of almost gross to take out all the debris from the food waste. So now you have this one thing, you click it and it falls through in your garbage. It's so nice and handy. You don't have to get your hands dirty. So let's see how much this seller is selling it for on TikTok and exactly how much you could be selling it for. Just to show you, it has 1.4 million views on TikTok, okay? So this person literally ordered this product from AliExpress, made a few quick bits of the video, and now has 1.4 million free views, no ads, right? TikTok dropshipper is selling this for $16.90 US. Let's check out their website. They're selling it two different colors, A and B. Yep. And you know, they do a pretty good job at presenting their website. Keep in mind, $16.90 is what they're selling it for one pop, right? Let's check it out. Per piece. Oh, green and okay. Okay, so per piece is $9.90, but if you get two, it's $16.90. So, AliExpress. On AliExpress, you're getting one item for $2.26 per piece, okay? Doesn't matter which color you choose. It's about a 5-cent difference, but it doesn't matter to us because that's not really 5 cents, right? So, what's their profit margin here? Let's say this. Wow, their margins are quite good on this. So if you can find a good ad that works for this, especially on TikTok or Facebook, whatever works for you, Instagram, this will do really well because you have high margins, but it's a very low price product, so you don't have to sell a lot to really make a good amount of profit. And this product was a winning product in 2017, 2018, just when I started to dropship. And you may have already seen it, but the thing I want to show you is it's back. After working from home, people getting into their environment where work from home is pretty standard for a lot of jobs, right? And people forget that posture is so important because after you get off that chair, after 5-4 hours of working, your back is a little sore, but you don't know why. So you go to the gym, but it still feels sore the next day because you're so stiff. So here's a TikTok product. It has 9.8 free views, okay? 9.8 million views. So let me show you how they present it. Catchy intro, and it's pretty basic. You've seen it everywhere on Amazon, Shopify. So why is this different? People have forgotten about this product. It's as if it didn't exist. Just because it was a winning product once doesn't mean it cannot be reinvented. It cannot be a winning product again, okay? So let me show you how you can get it on AliExpress. Let's see how much they're selling it for before we do that, okay? So let's go to their website. They have a mini version. I guess this is for a little bit smaller, petite bodies, and they have a full posture master. So they're selling it for $50 US and for $38 US. Let's see if we can find our own and how much it would cost us. We were able to find the exact same ones that they're selling, and you can buy this product for $6 US, give or take. They're selling it for $50 US. And keep in mind, they had 9.8 million views on that one TikTok. So just imagine at least they got 50 orders from that thing. They're making more than enough money, okay? They're making a good amount of money. So just keep in mind, you want to make sure there's perfect sizes, or you want to make sure that it's shown on the website. So let's see if they're showing that on their website. All right, so they go with medium, small, large, extra large. Right here. So they have a size chart in the picture. Exactly what I said. Make sure you present the size to your customer for it to be appealing for them to buy it. Make sure they understand it. That's it for 5 winning products. If you liked this video, please be sure to subscribe, like, and comment on this video as it helps me help you, and let the algorithm do its work, okay? Thank you so much. Have a wonderful day. Take care. Peace out.